Hello viewers, we are here today to discuss on a very relevant kind of a topic, which is prescription in medical practice. And we have with us Dr. Jyoti Monga from Dr. Monga Ayurvedic Medical Clinic. She'll be throwing light on this subject in a detailed manner. What exactly is a prescription? What are the significance of a prescription? What are the good prescriptions? What are the bad prescriptions? And how Dr. Monga Clinic goes about it. So my first question to Dr. Jyoti would be, what exactly is a prescription?
So Mr. Prashant, if we talk about the prescription is a very common word used when we visit a doctor. So if we would summarize it, prescription is a gist of conversation between the patient and the doctors. So it contains all the signs and the symptoms that the patient has. So it is a summary of the problems that the patient has given to the doctor and the medicines that has been prescribed by the doctor. So it contains, I would suggest it connects all the four people. One is the patient, one is the doctor, one is the attendant that is accompanying the patient, and the chemist also.
Okay, wonderful. And what is the significance of a prescription? Why it is so important?
Look, basically a written prescription gives a clarity, to the patient that what all health issues he is going through, and basically what all instructions have been given to him and what all do's and don'ts he has to follow, and the most foremost thing that what all medication he is to take, what timings he has to take. Basically it is a synopsis, that what all the patient has to follow according to the doctor in each and every manner to recover at the fastest. So basically, it establishes a bond of trust between the doctor and the patient.
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah.
And can you differentiate between a good prescription and a bad prescription?
Yes, obviously. There is a lot of difference between a good prescription and a bad prescription. We see so many prescriptions of the doctors. First of all, I would suggest every doctor to write the prescription in a readable handwriting. This is a complaint by the patients that they cannot read the prescription properly. I know the doctors develop a habit of, writing it in a flow, and that is not easily understood by the doctor. So, first of all, it should be clearly written. And a good prescription should contain each and every minute detail that, what all medicine has been given and what time it has to be taken, plus the do's and don'ts that have to be followed properly, the lifestyle modifications that the patient has to make. And first of all, we don't promote any kind of OTC products, and a good prescription is one in which we write the generic names of the medicines. Supposedly a patient is having fever and supposedly we are giving crocin that is so readily available. So it is better to write paracetamol, that is the name of the salt, so that the patient can take it from anywhere. It is just an example, we are giving. So this kind of a prescription which follows each and every minute detail and tells the patient to follow each and everything properly is a good prescription.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, doctor, on throwing light on this untouched topic, I would say, because not many doctors who practice write prescription. Maybe they are the quacks, we can say they are the quacks who are unqualified doctors as such. But viewers, with this I would conclude that whenever you visit a doctor, you must emphasize in getting a prescription, written prescription from the doctor. It is your right, and whoever shies away from giving you a prescription, you be very wary from that doctor or practitioner in visiting next time. Thank you so much for being with us. We'll be back with another video on the subject. Thank you.